Meet the Ressence Type 3 BB2, a watch that bends the rules of traditional horology. Dressed entirely in black, it's sleek, futuristic, and unlike anything else on the wrist. But what makes it so unique? Well, it's filled with oil, has no crown, and looks more like a pebble from another planet than a mechanical timepiece. Ressence was founded in 2010 by Belgian industrial designer Benoit Mintillon, and ever since, the brand has been rewriting what a mechanical watch can be. The Type 3 was the first oil-filled mechanical watch ever made, and this new BB2 edition takes that concept to its most refined, most mysterious form yet. The case is made of black DLC-coated titanium, split into two chambers, one filled with 3.57 milliliters of oil, the other with air. And somehow, the two communicate magnetically, without a single physical connection. Why fill a watch with oil? Because it eliminates light distortion entirely. The result is a display that looks digital, perfectly legible from any angle, even underwater. It's like the dial floats right under the crystal, crisp, bright, and surreal. Inside that upper chamber, the ROC system, short for Ressence Orbital Convex System, displays the hours, minutes, day, date, and even oil temperature, all rotating together in a hypnotic ballet. Forget about crowns. Time and date adjustments are done through the caseback. And once you get used to it, it feels intuitive, almost meditative. On the wrist, the Type 3 BB2 feels like no other watch, smooth, organic, and surprisingly light. Everywhere you go, people notice. Some think it's a smartwatch, others just stare, trying to figure out what's happening beneath that crystal. At €50,600, the Ressence Type 3 BB2 isn't a watch for everyone. It's for those who see time differently. Mechanical at heart, yet almost alien in execution, it's a perfect symbol of independent watchmaking at its boldest.